Hi everyone, I'm Finn. In this video, I will walk you through a complete design workflow with ArchMaster, showing you how to turn a simple sketch into a complete design. So let's begin.
First, search for ArchMaster. Go into Nano Banana, upload our sketch, select the foundation model and enter a prompt. Then we get a clear master plan. Let's copy it. Then find the master plan colorization tool. Paste the master plan we just copied. Select the style we like. Click Generate. Then we get a colored master plan. Let's copy this colored master plan again. Go back to Nano Banana, paste it, and enter a prompt. Click Generate. Then we can easily get a bird's eye view. Draw an arrow on the bird's eye view. Then enter a prompt to get an eye-level perspective rendering. Using the same approach, we can generate several renderings from various perspectives. We can also use the renderings we just generated to create analysis diagrams. Enter a prompt. You can get a diagram like this. You can enter different prompts to get a wide variety of analysis diagrams. If we also want to generate a presentation board, we can use the renderings we just created. With Nano Banana, we can get a complete presentation board. Of course, if we also want a video, we can use the image to video tool, upload 2 of the renderings we just generated. Then we can get a video like this. So that's a complete workflow. Isn't that convenient? Follow ArchMaster to learn more about AI in architecture.